Hello, my name is Teacher Maria. What's your name?
My name Ruby.
Ruby. How old are you, Ruby?
I'm 5.
Great job. How are you today?
Good.
Great job. Okay, now Ruby, how many pigs do you see?
4 big.
Great job. Now, what color are the pigs?
Pig.
Great. Now, what does a pig say?
Oi oi.
Great job. Now, is it a dog?
1 dog.
Is it a dog? Yes or no?
Good.
Yes. What color is the dog?
Brown.
Great job. How many legs has it got?
4.
4. Very good. What is it?
Is a goat.
Excellent. How many goats do you see?
4 goats.
Great job. Now, do you like goats?
Yes.
Yes, I do. Okay, listen carefully to teacher and point animals, okay? Now, neigh, what is it?
Is a horse.
Excellent. Moo, what is it?
Is a cow.
Cow. Now, quack, what is it?
Is a dog.
Where is the duck? Very good. Cockle-doodle-doo. What is it?
Is a rooster.
Where is the rooster? Excellent. Very good. Okay, now listen to teacher, okay? Color the hen red. Where's color red? Color the hen red. Where is the hen? Where is the hen? Where is the hen?
Hey.
Great job. Now, what color is the hen? What color is the hen?
Red.
Very good. Now next, color the rabbit yellow. Put it back to red. Yellow. Yellow. Very good. Now where is the rabbit? Excellent. Okay, now what color is the rabbit?
Yellow.
Great job. Now next, color the well purple. Purple. Very good. Where is the well? Very good. What color is the well?
Is purple.
Very good. Okay, now can you tell the teacher what animals do you like?
Blue.
Dogs. Okay. Do you like rabbit?
Is red.
Yes, I. Yes, I do. Okay. Now next. Yeah, very good. Okay, can you tell the teacher what letter is it?
Y. Yeah.
Very good. Now next, what letter is it?
The.
Excellent. Okay. Can you tell the teacher what is it?
Is yo-yo.
It's yo-yo. Very good. Okay, next. The zoo. Okay, now next.
Zebra.
Very good. Okay, next.
Yellow.
Great job. Okay, very good. Now listen. Can you point? Can you place this one into the correct flashlight? Okay? Yeah. Why, yeah. Yellow. Very good. Now next, zoo. Very good. Great job. Have a good teacher. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, great job.